we get the speeds together? Because W11 in the house. In the house. Okay, guys, can you get one more rose? Thank you so much, Timbo. Then can you sing? I can't sing.
We have times 3 coming off soon.
I can't sing. What's that?
Better help me and win this game now. Even if it's 1 game.
Timbo, did you get a glove? Can you hook them, guys? Like, too much on the glove. With them.
Who has my pussing glove should drop pussing glove. Let's win this girl for once.
I can't see because guys, those snipe. Those snipe, guys. Guys, trust me, those snipe. Those snipe, guys. Those snipe. Guys, do we have a glove? You know, 2 interstellars we catch up, guys. I mean, two galaxies.
You will cry today. Jesus. Everybody Kata Efe in the comment section.
Oh, did you get a glove?
Hey. Yeah. Everybody in the comment section. Kata. Kole. Kata. Kole. Kata. Kole. Hey. Oh boy.
Guys, just 4 galaxies in the glove. Okay.
Wow.
Is there anyone with the glove? Can you snipe a lion? Can you snipe a lion? You. Shoot. I'm sorry.
Bro. Am I dreaming? Like, am I?
They destroy me,
Thank you so much, Kata. Pumpkin, you are a small girl. You are too small, so clock it. Waiting be this. Kata, you are the MVP. You sniped 2 private jets on the time.
1-1, guys. Can we win last one?
Thank you so much, Kata Kole. I appreciate you.
Can we win last one? How emotional.
Agak masih biar di belakang. Ganun lang to. Yung mga kikyaura ke promutas pera manage mo na. Agree dito yacho.
Hurry up, assembly. Ay, puluman. Oh,